Yeah, good morning everybody. Here we are on a lovely Saturday morning in September and we're at the Brigstock Car Show in Northamptonshire. It's an event that my father-in-law puts on every year to go inside with something called the Beer Festival, because they have a nice beer festival here. And we have a few cars here with mine behind. She's Flossie, 2007 FJ Cruiser, American import. It's brought over from the US. She's set out for adventuring and camping with the rooftop tent, which we will put up later. Spare fuel tanks, a little bit of a little rise on it. It's only a half inch or inch, I think, a little bit higher, just to get a little bit more ground clearance because of the sidebars on there. We have a few of the other cars here. Yeah, and Daimler 66, Morgan, Morris 8. Sunbeam. And we have a look round the Auto Bianchi. Which is lovely. Fun little classic. So 1978 Auto Bianchi A112. It's basically a Cooper with a Fiat body on it, or a cut down Fiat chassis and body. So think of a Mini Cooper and you've got a Mini Cooper Italian style with a bit of pizzazz. So goes like stink because it's only 70 horsepower, which you think ridiculous, tiny little thing like that, and that's what it is. It's all about power to weight on these cars. Fabulous. So we have a few more cars here now. This is by far my favourite one. 1992 R32 Skyline GTST, not GTR, GTST. So still pretty awesome. And the guy's owned it for 10 years. There's nut and bolt restoration job, body off, all cleaned and prepped and done properly. Fantastic piece of car. With a 340 brake horsepower, nice tuned engine in there. We have another 1984, but this one's a Panther Callista. So a Z-Tech engine, 2 litre Z-Tech. And again, another one that's been refurbed. It's nice to see that they're putting the information on these cars. Another British sports car that short-lived. All good fun now. Look at that. Great to drive. And then the classics. A lot of shacks about. 2+2 coupe. But of course it's a V8, V12. It's a proper one. So it's a 73 E-Type Series 3, 2+2, 270 horsepower. And then we have XJ6 V8 2002, very low mileage, 30,000 miles on it. It's pretty awesome. Beautiful. have our favourite little cars. The Austin 7. Even still got the trafficators on the side there. Go around. Ten horsepower. So we go from 320 horsepower down to 10 horsepower. Fabulous. And then his friend's other Austin 7. This one is still in the same family from when it was new. So that's what's special about this one. Slightly different colour. Still got the trafficators and working. I do love having the little music playing on it, which I love that fact. And we come to a couple of nice Bentley Continentals. Again, two beauties. Very similar. Got this one here.
Yeah, the man, yeah.
Another walk round. And then classic TR6.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Sounds about right.
One of my favourite cars ever.
Yeah.
Beautiful interior, beautiful engine bay.
Yeah. Yeah, gotta have a little loop.
At the moment we've got only one motorbike in. Norton Commando.
Well, the mic
custom slightly.
They'll probably never leave.
It's been tickled about. It's got a slightly different back end on it, as you can see, shiny metal there, compared to the original full mudguard that would have covered it. There we go there. So here we have Auto Union, which is a DKW. So it's called a Munger. I don't know what that stands for, but it's a Merswick Universal Klinder, yeah, something like that. So it's a German vehicle. And then we have, did you find out, it's actually an Audi. So it's an Audi World War vehicle, or military vehicle, should we say, not war. Here we have Tony's car. This is father-in-law's car. This is one of his cars that are here. This is a lovely, beautiful little Auto Bianchi, an A112E. Apparently there are only 2 registered in the UK. This is obviously one of those. And it's hard to think that this was designed by the man behind the Lamborghini Miura, Countach and Diablo. So, yeah, beautiful car. It's a Mini Cooper engine in there, so a 1050cc Mini, goes like stink because it's lightweight and very powerful. Okay, so here we have the standard, well, not the standard, it's the beautiful Ferrari 308 GTS. Everybody knows this when it's in red. It's the Magnum car from the TV series Magnum. It's a proper used car. He drives it, he doesn't just put it in the garage and polishes it, so it's not perfect. It's a good piece of car. It's a US import, left-hand drive. It was a 100,000 miles on the clock, pretty good. Yeah, it's okay. So it's a 50th birthday present for the gentleman that owns it. The gentleman that owns it also owns this beautiful Proteus XJ13 55 Jaguar replica. This is a limited production of 1 of 7. Okay, so it's a recreation of the Le Mans race car, and it's all aluminium and glass fibre, and obviously it's a Jaguar, and if you're going to do it, you're going to do it properly. So you drop a V12 in there and have the proper Jaguar V engine in there. Absolutely stunning. And it's even got a little boot, presumably for the spare tyre. It's absolutely stunning. And we have a nice Austin Healey 3000. There's another beautiful car. This is one of these rental companies that's local here, so you can actually rent this car at autorendezvous.co.uk. So we thank them for bringing one of their cars down. And we move on to another Jaguar 69. This was a full restoration. It apparently arrived when he purchased it as boxes. So again, a beautiful car. Probably more of a garage queen than a driven car, I think, because it's I would rather keep this in the garage and keep it mint. But it's not, you never, you know, that's not the fun of cars, is it? You're supposed to drive them. Well, I hope he does drive it. Got a few stone chips on it, so maybe he does. Probably is. There's a dent in the bonnet as well, so never perfect, which is what we like to see. That means it gets driven. And the classic Moggy. Don't we all love a Moggy? Bessie, yeah. Could do with a bit more taking the polish off. But hey ho. Nice red interior. And you can't beat a good Moggy. They are great cars. Good fun to drive as well. Well, I've only been in two, an original and a V8 van. The V8 van was not fun to drive. Come across a XK, supercharged XK. Very nice car. Again, good cheap daddy classic with the old built-in phone. Period phone. We had a look at this earlier. This was the Triumph Roadster 1800 TRD. So again, another lovely car. Yeah, I thought it was a Sunbeam. It's actually not. It's a Triumph, but fabulous car. Fabulous car. Again, gets driven a lot. And the music has just started. There's the Morris 8. And this is our Jeff's. So, in relation to my wife's. Cool. And,
I only just spotted they were playing actually.
Lovely Morgan.
Yeah, they play early now, don't they?
And then we have the Daimler 6. 300 horsepower, 15 to the gallon. It's a beautiful car to drive. All fully sorted this is. This goes well, drives well, suspension's beautiful in it. Does what it's supposed to do. And whoosh you around. Daimler 6. So, not because they call it a 6, this is a V12. So, again, a nice V12 in here that's running beautifully. This is what you get when you get a £1,000 for a car. You get to customise it. You call it the Rust Bucket. Oh, I think it was £500 for a car actually, but there we go. So the Rust Bucket Rally, cars around Europe. Get something that's cheap, make it fun, do it for charity, and take it somewhere nice. This particular one went to Italy and back, 2,500 miles in a long weekend. And I think Cookie Monster was the co-driver. We'll do like the graphics on the door and the noises it makes. None of the flashing lights are flashing because the ash felt. So getting on a bit later now, 4:30. The festival is in full swing. There's a full-on local village fete as well, obviously with the car show. Some of the cars have already left. It's been that busy. So just a little show of what's going on.